30 minutes, no cornrows. Okay, this is a full pack. You know they say that. You can't do this when you brown. And I'll be like, who said that? Really what I wanted to focus on is the color combo. This one I was gonna do a 1B with a with the 1B27, but I decided to spice it up, do like a chocolate blondie sort of look. So I mixed 1B30 and 1B27. That will give you this look. This is a full pack of the Ocean Wave. Toyotress, big ups to you guys. I really like this hair. I will say that the shelf life for this hair is probably about, I'd say about 3 weeks. If you're looking for a style that you can leave in for a few weeks, this definitely will do the trick. I had like just some old plaits in my hair. A lot of times I do bulk videos. So I'll just do video, and then I have like time off and I'll just have my hair plaited up. So I literally just plop this on top of the set that I already had. So there's no cornrows. If you don't know how to plait, you can of course use 2-strand twists and then just connect them with the rubber band. So this is a no cornrow install that took less than 30 minutes. I'm definitely feeling it. The only drawback to this hair is it's not as soft as I would like it to be. If there's anything that could be improved on, it would be that. I mean, it's not like super rough and crunchy and hard, you know, it just could be a little bit softer. So that's that. Are y'all feeling this chocolate blondie on my cafe au lait skin? Cause you know they say we can't do this. You know they say that. You can't do this when you brown. And I'll be like, who said that? I did the illusion crochet along the middle part and along the right part because I never know which way I'm gonna rock my part. I love middle parts and I love my right part. So I just did the illusion on each side of both of those parts just in case. I don't even know where I'm gonna go with it. This time will be the rest of the day. You know when you be in church and it's somebody you don't really like, but you're in church so you got to be nice, so you low-key be phony. And you be like, how the kids? Uh-huh. Okay. You be sweet. You know that's how to be in church. When I first started to do the install, I was doing single knots. I switched it like halfway through the install to double knots. Double knots, it's just more secure. So, yeah, so I did that. And also I separated. Once everything is in and you put all your pieces in, you separate until you get to the volume that you want. And bam. Listen, make sure you hit that subscribe button if y'all feeling my videos. Thank you for everybody who's been showing love in the comments. Y'all leave me a comment, just say, hey, how you doing? I appreciate y'all so much. All my new subbies, what's up? What's up? Hey. So I'm gonna go take some pictures, y'all. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish y'all peace, love, and light.